welcome back, people. How you doing? Welcome back. Axtuo is back. Get at me. Hope you're doing great. I have this 2022 Honda Accord. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick, and I'm gonna throw in there how to reset the oil life too. Alright, so stay tuned. Highlight your boy. Subscribe to the channel. Join the community channel. Like, share, comment. Alright. Anything you want to say, put it in the comment box. I don't hate though. If you want to hate, yeah, hate. I'll let you hate. Thank you for the support. Shout out to my subscribers. I appreciate the support. All right, let's get it. Let's do the Roomy oil change. Honda 2022. This is how you open the hood, all right? Right there. Latch is gonna be right here. You're gonna have to lift it, all right? It's not supported, but you're gonna use a kickstand, you know what I'm saying? Engine on cap, no cap, 0W20, ED. That's the type of oil you're gonna use. Oil dipstick. That's how you're gonna measure the tire. The oil, windshield fluid, reservoir fluid, coolant reservoir fluid, reservoir, whatever, windshield coolant. Alright, don't get it confused. Air filter, battery, brake fluid reservoir, fuse box. Now I'm saying, I'm not gonna break it down for you all the way. ABS, radiator cap, no cap. And I think in the back here is the alternator. Yeah, right there. This guy right here. Alright, we're going all the way up. Alright, good. Coming down here, right here. Oil filter, alright. And the oil plug, oil drain plug. And it tells you right here, engine oil. Alright, it's engraved here. Okay. To get to the oil filter, we're just gonna with a flat screwdriver, we're not counterclockwise. Here. Let's see here, 17 millimeter flat screwdriver, like that. Alright, do that for all this, guys, right here. That's how I do it. I catch it in the air, you know what I'm saying? Pause. Come out. I meant to do that, you know what I'm saying? This is the original Rastafari oil filter. Alright, I'm gonna grab this guy right here. Sorry for the background noise. There you go, just a little bit though. We're gonna do the 17 for this, 17 millimeter socket. Alright, get out of the way when you drain it. Pause. Now you're gonna come through here. Let me kill this light. Too much light for you. Fuck it. Let it drain. It's gonna drain. You don't wanna get wet. Not like that though. Blah. Yeah, alright. Gonna grab the rag, wipe this. You know what I'm saying? Now, we're gonna put back the oil drain plug. It comes with a washer, okay, so make sure you put it with a washer. Okay, you can reuse the washer if you want. It's okay, unless it's not destroyed. Okay, put it by hand, tighten and snug it with a 17mm socket. Alright, don't go crazy on it. Alright. Now right here, you see this? We're gonna lube it. Alright. I use the oil. That's how it's so good. That's how it looks like. This is the 67356 by Parts Master. Alright, I'm just gonna put it in there. Do it by hand, okay? You don't need to use tools to tie this. Just do it by hand. That's enough. That's good enough, okay? Because if you go with the tool, you're gonna go through it. You're gonna make a hole, and then it's gonna leak. You're gonna have bigger problems. So it says that it takes 3.7 quarts. We're gonna pour 3.7 quarts. We're gonna let the car run idle and see what's good. 1 second, I'll be right back. Careful over there at the bottom, okay? You don't pour it too fast because it's gonna overflow. This is a 1.5 liter engine, alright? Here's the third one. Hey, don't forget to join the community channel. Do that, alright? You're gonna get a lot of perks. The good thing about it is that we can live chat. We can chat live. So if you have any problems, I'm gonna walk you through it. So this is the fourth quart. It's 3.7, right? To here, or until it's here, right here. All right. Should be good. Now we're gonna remove the funnel. Put the engine oil cap back and let the car run. Let it idle for a minute. In the meanwhile, you can check the fluids and all that. Do some air in the tires, whatever you want to do. Go get a drink. It's up to you, alright? I'm gonna start the car now. So I can check the oil level correctly. in a minute. I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna pull this out. The oil dipstick. Wipe it. It's supposed to be here, okay? Give it a minute to for the oil to drop in the oil pan. I'm gonna come through. There it is, right? You see it? It's right there. 3.7 quarts, alright? Am I good or not? Good. I'll put it back and seal the deal. Alright, I hope you like that oil change. You did? Now we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life, okay? Stay tuned. Hey, join the community channel. Hit the tens button, alright? Do that. Alright, how to do the maintenance light reset. I'm gonna shut it down real quick. I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna start the car. You're gonna see the message right here. You saw it, you seen it. What is this? Maintenance due now. Okay, that's better. This is too bright. I don't wanna damage your beautiful eyes. It has 4,006 miles. 4,000 miles. Almost 5,000. Alright, whatever. So here, let me dim this. Alright, I guess that's better. Alright, come here to settings. We go vehicle, maintenance info, select. Want to do that? All do items, okay? I was gonna ask you, would you like to reset maintenance information? Reset. Please wait. This process can take several minutes. No, it's not gonna take several minutes. Maintenance information has been reset. That's how you reset the oil life in this beautiful 2022 Honda Accord with 1.5 liter engine. Alright. So yeah, if you like this video, like the video. Even if you didn't like it, like the video. Don't hate, alright? Which leads me to give shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? I'm still standing here in this. Alright. Did I say like, share, and comment? Yeah, do that. Okay. What else? Join the community channel. If you wanna show your appreciation to the channel, right below this video there's a heart. It says thanks. Click on that, and everything's gonna be good. Alright, I would appreciate that. Would appreciate the support. What else? Alright guys, I gotta bounce. Alright, thank you for watching. Highlight your boy. Catch you in the next one. Alright, Audi.